Imagine a machine that makes money for you while you sleep. Look at this. This Python script is analyzing Bitcoin prices in real time. It automatically detects buy and sell signals without me touching the keyboard. Want to build this in 5 minutes? Let me show you how. First, we import the essentials. We need time for the loop and random to simulate market data for this demo. Next, we build the get_crypto_data function. In the full version, this connects directly to the Binance API, but for now, let's simulate the price feed. Now, here is the brain of the bot, the trading logic. We use a simple moving average strategy. If the price goes above the target, we execute a buy. If it drops below, we sell. Finally, we set up the main loop. This keeps the bot running forever, scanning the market every single second, waiting for that perfect opportunity. The code works perfectly, but to trade with real money safely, you need the API connection and the secure config file. I have packaged the full source code for you. It includes the Binance API integration and a setup guide. Don't waste hours debugging. Click the link in the description, download the bot, and start your automated trading journey today.